What's going on, y'all? It is Chris with pennies2000s.com, and I wanted to show you how to get paid instantly with this app, Ibotta. It's a cashback app from using different stores. I'm going to show you how, I do it, how you can make money with it. So you'll see here on the homepage, they have all these different stores that you can visit. All of them offer different cashback options. They got some more down here, retailers you might like, lots of different places. All you got to do is basically just click on one. So let me go to Walmart. That seems to be popular around, different places. So I click on Walmart. You can do it in store, online, or you can buy an online gift card. So these are all the things that they have for you. They'll kind of categorize it. These are like things for you, kind of like, items you bought in the past. These are like kind of similar. They'll put it under this section. Lots of different cashback options. I know you can see, like 25 cents up until like, $5, $10, just depending on what you're buying. They put new offers on here all the time. So, there's always opportunities on here. All you do is kind of look and see what's on here. You buy the item and you get cash back. They also have any item where if you buy any item, like, they say buy any soda or any, brand of eggs, you get money for that as well. The frozen food. It's just lots of different options on here. But so for me today, I actually went to Dollar General. So I'm gonna click on this one and I bought some tissue and I've already added it. So I'll click on, just to show you kind of my receipt for it, what I bought. I got 2 of these tissues, so I should get $2 cash back. So I'm going to submit my receipt by taking a full picture of it. Just make sure I get close to it. And once it's green all around, then you can take the picture and upload with your receipt. I want to use this so you see, it looks good. They can see it pretty much. So they're finding the offers. They found it, what I bought. So now they want to collect $2 from 2 offers. So I'll just push collect and wait for the money to go into my account. And it says it takes 24 hours, but it really doesn't. It goes right into your balance right then and there. So I'm going to click done here and go back to the home page. And you see at the top, you got cash. So now I go from $18.10 to now $20.10. So I got the money instantly, so now it's cashing out. When cashing out, you can use PayPal. You can use, different banks. Let me go to that when I push withdraw earnings. All these different ways you can pick from. They don't have any, a lot of different, I would say like restaurants, none, but like, your bank and PayPal, you can, buy whatever with that. So I'm going to choose PayPal because I know it comes instantly. So I'm going to click on that, enter the amount that I want to cash out, which is all of it, $20.10. Click done, click review. Everything looks good. Got the email, got the amount of money in there, and I'm going to click confirm and withdraw. And it says it takes 1 to 3 business days, but it doesn't. Again, it goes into your account instantly. So when I go over to my PayPal account, you can actually see it. So let me go back. Let me get out of here. Going back to the home page, showing you that my account went to 0. Now I go to my email, and you will see here they send me an email. Your PayPal account has been linked by Ibotta. Then literally this same minute, I got an email from PayPal and Ibotta saying the money has been to my account. So it's there. I don't have to wait 1 to 3 business days, and I click on it. I can show you $20.10 just like that. So the app, it does pay instantly. It is very simple to use. All you gotta do is go to these different grocery stores or store, whatever that's offering cash back. You push the plus sign on the item that you're gonna buy it. You get the receipt, you take a picture of it. They're gonna see that you bought it, and you're gonna put the money right into your account. And then once you get $20, you can cash out with it. So it's very simple to use. It really helps me, and buying grocery makes me spend a lot less. So I recommend that you sign up for it. You can download it with the link in the description. It's for Android and iPhone as well. So pick which one you want, whatever phone you have. Get started with it today. And always remember, every penny counts. If you're interested in making even more money, I highly encourage you guys to visit my website, pennies2000s.com. That way you can see all the free websites and apps that I use to make money. And if you want to make some real money, I'm talking about $150 every single day. I can teach you the very easy steps that anybody can do. All you have to do is book a session with the link below.